Hello Kindergarten 2 students, welcome back to our reading tutorial. In this video, Miss will guide you how to read the sentences in English and Bahasa. By the way, how are you today guys? I'm hoping that you are in a good condition so you can do your reading projects. Okay, so guys, in this video, Miss will teach you how to read the sentences in English and Bahasa Indonesia. Also later you will read the story in Bahasa Indonesia. Okay, so let's check this out. Listen the sentences carefully. Number 1. My mother chops the potato using a knife. Number 2. We don't have our lunch for today. Next. Number 3. He brings a fish to the class. Number 4. Can you brush your teeth? Number 5. Shake the jar to see something. Okay. Next, number 6. A king sing a song in the tent. I smell the smoke from the stove in my kitchen. Number 8. Glove, glass, glue, globe are inside the inventory. Next, we go to number 9. I can see some brown and black clams at the beach. Number 10. Don't touch the fish because I have a cute meal. Number 11. My father lures the fish. My father's name is Dave. Oke, sekarang kita akan membaca kalimat dalam bahasa Indonesia terlebih dahulu. Oke, nomor 1. Enak sekali duku ini. Nomor 2. Orang itu sangat lapar. Nomor 3. Coba kita baca buku di perpustakaan. Nomor 4. Jaket warna biru dan merah. Nomor 5. Kaki dan tanganku ada 2. Nomor 6. Baju baru Devi berwarna biru. Nomor 7. Satwa itu sangat dilindungi. Bunga mawar sangat cantik. Nyepi adalah hari raya umat Hindu. Khusus hari ini saja. Oke, nomor 11. Saya takut gelap. Sekarang kita akan membaca cerita pendek. Oke, tidak ada nomor. Kita akan baca langsung cerita pendek ya. Judulnya Dina suka baca. Dina suka baca cerita. Buku cerita Dina bagus. Ada 5 buku cerita. Ini cerita binatang lucu. Ini cerita anak pintar. Ini cerita nenek baik. Ini cerita burung sakti dan cerita si kancil. Okay guys, that's all about our reading tutorial. So please train yourself by reading and watching this video. By the way, don't forget to send your reading projects to our WhatsApp group, okay? Tell your mommy and your daddy to send your reading projects as your reading homework. Okay guys, please do your best and see you on our next reading tutorial. Goodbye everyone!